What's up, fam? Coach Nate. You made it. And I want you to know, just pressing play means you're already ahead of the version of you that would have stayed stiff, tense, and stuck. If your shoulders are tight, if your upper back is sore, if your posture has been silently collapsing under the weight of stress, screens, or sleep, you're not alone. But you can reset all of that in just 5 minutes. We're going to open the shoulders, lengthen your spine, and restore the upper body mobility that most people lose without ever realizing it. You'll unlock muscles you didn't even know were tight. And by the third move, you might feel your chest expand in a way that completely shifts your energy. Most people stretch their back without ever accessing the real cause of the pain. But today, we're going right to the source. And the final 2 moves, they'll test your control, your breath, and your focus, but they'll also give you posture that sticks. Let's hit the mat. This move is the doorway to spinal release. You don't need to crack your back. You need to unwind it. Start in a tabletop position. Slide your right arm under your left, palm facing up. Rest your right shoulder and cheek to the mat. Reach the left arm forward or wrap it behind your back. You're going to feel tension unwinding from your shoulder blade, upper back, and the side of your neck. I promise this move will open your thoracic spine, release shoulder tension, and create rotational freedom in your upper back. Beginners, keep the supporting hand close. Advanced stretches, twist deeper and push into the floor gently with the top arm. Here's a fact that most people don't know. Most shoulder stiffness is a spinal issue in disguise. Here's a little challenge. Hold and take 1 deep, complete breath into your upper back. 1 inch deeper, 5 seconds longer. Do you feel stuck or smooth? If it's stuck, you needed this more than you thought. That just released your right shoulder. Now let's set your left side free. This side might feel tighter, and that's the imbalance that's been pulling your posture out of alignment. Slide your left arm under your right, drop your shoulder and cheek to the mat. Reach the right arm forward or wrap behind your back. I promise the stretch will restore balance to your shoulders, reduce neck tension, and realign your posture from the inside out. Beginners, support with your hand. Advanced stretches, press into the ground and twist deeper through the ribs. This rotation preps your spine for a deeper release coming in the next stretch. It's building layer by layer. Match or beat the depth from your right side. Own it. Do you feel the stretch in your shoulder blade? If not, press your palm down gently and rotate. That just unlocked your upper spine. Now let's support it from below. This is your anchor. We've rotated, now we extend. If you've been slouched, curled, or compressed, this stretch brings your spine back to its natural curve. Lie on your belly, elbows under your shoulders, forearms parallel. Press into the ground, lifting your chest. Keep your legs relaxed and shoulders down. You'll feel a gentle arch in your lower back, length through the front body. I promise this pose will decompress your lower spine, open your heart space, and reset the nervous system. Beginners, keep elbows wider and stay low. Advanced stretches, walk hands forward and lift the chest higher. Here's a surprising fact. Your back tightens to protect you from poor posture. This move tells it you're safe to open again. Now try pressing your palms in and grow 1 inch taller. Breathe deep, hold for 5 more seconds. Are your glutes clenched? Soften them. This is a back release, not a back bend. That just rebalanced your spine. Now let's melt into the shoulders. This is where tension meets surrender. You'll feel it in your chest, your armpits, your breath, and you'll know immediately how much you needed it. Start in a tabletop position. Walk your hands forward. Drop your chest and forehead toward the mat. Keep hips over knees and arms straight. A deep stretch in the shoulders, chest, and lats. I promise this move will melt away tension from your upper back, improve overhead mobility, and create space for deep breathing. Beginners, keep elbows slightly bent. Advanced stretches, rest your chin and set off your forehead for a bigger stretch. This prepares your chest for the next posture resetting stretch. And the deeper you go here, the taller you'll stand after. Try to reach your arms 1 inch further forward. Hold, breathe. Can you feel your breath expanding your ribs? If not, breathe slower. This stretch needs breath. That just melted shoulder tension. Now we're bringing posture back to life. This is where posture comes alive. Most of us hunch without noticing. And this move is a reminder and reversal. Stand or kneel. Interlace fingers behind your back. Pull your arms down and back. Lift your chest. Keep your neck long and chin slightly tucked. I promise this move will open your heart space, restore natural alignment, and counteract hours of compression. Beginners use a strap or towel between hands. Advanced stretchers hinge forward slightly with arms lifted for more intensity. Here's a fun fact. The muscles of your chest can pull your entire upper body forward. This resets that instantly. Hold the peak of the stretch for 5 seconds. Can you breathe deep without losing form? Can you feel your collarbones lift? That's your posture unlocking. That just lifted up your posture. Now we finish with length and breadth. This is where everything expands. Your ribs, your posture, your focus. It's the final challenge and the final release. Stand tall, reach your right arm overhead and bend to the left. Keep the chest lifted, core tight. Switch sides halfway through. I promise this move will free your side body, unlock your breath, and complete the alignment of your upper body. Beginners keep opposite hand on hip. Advanced stretches add a slight twist or pulse at the bottom. Stretching your side body improves breathing capacity, and that improves every other movement. On your deepest reach, can you take one full breath? That's the real win. Can you feel the stretch from hip to wrist? If not, reset and reach taller. You just reset your spine, release your shoulders, and open your breath. Stay strong, flexible, and powerful. I'll see you in the next session. Let's go.